Hello, it is your host, Lucas Barron, and today I'm here to show off my new construction worker puppet, like I said I was going to. I don't really know how to have a name for him right now. I don't have a name for him at the moment, but I already know my voice for him. This is what he looks like. He's a pretty good construction worker. I like his hard hat, too. It's pretty cool. He's not going to be related to anybody in my puppet videos, and right after this, I have another puppet video for you guys to unbox, pretty much. Well, not unbox, but show. Like this video, comment, subscribe, notification bell, and definitely like and comment. Let me know what you think of him. If you want me to do Meet the Cast with him, I will at some point. I exactly have no idea when, because I have more new characters coming on the way. So this was your host, Lucas Barron, and peace.